Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will mix Dusty Biege semi-gloss latex for interior concrete wall. Dusty Biege is the best way to make rooms of all sizes look larger. It also coordinates well with virtually every other color, making it easy for you to mix up your living room with new throw pillows, curtains, or accent every time you need a change of scenery. If you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button below to keep updated on our next paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client order 1 gallon Dusty Biege semi-gloss latex mix. We prepared 4 color combination: 80% of semi-gloss latex white, 10% of ochre color raw sienna, 5% of ochre color tulip red, and 5% of ochre color black. Okay, let's start. Add ochre color raw sienna on semi-gloss latex white. Then, drop a little ochre color black and ochre color tulip red. Okay, let's stir the paint very well to come out the color result. Let's compare. It is more lighter. We have to add little by little ochre colors until we achieve the same color on our client sample. Okay, let's see once more. It is almost the same. Let's add ochre colors to make it more darker. It's more on yellow. Let's add more ochre color tulidine red and ochre color black to achieve the brownish shade. We got the right shade now. It's okay if we are a little more lighter, because semi-gloss latex paint becomes darker when it's dry. Mixing accomplished. Hope you enjoy our tutorial videos. If you then, please subscribe to our channel. Until next paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all our subscribers. God bless.